Moving on to the question number 11, we are supposed to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, given the slope and 1 point. Here it is mentioned clearly there's only slope given and 1 point. How would we do it? So let's look in a problem and solve. Here we have been given slope and a point, and we have been told to write this slope intercept form for this particular line. Any line that passes through this point and the slope. So the slope means m, right? M is given as half. Okay, that's good. We know x and y, but what is the slope intercept form? Y equals mx plus b, where x and y will be variables. We write it as x and y only. M is given half, but what is b? We don't know the b value. Now, you have been given a point, so substitute the point over here. Instead of y, I will substitute 2 equals m is what? Half times. What is x? 4 plus b. Now solve this. It is 1 time, 2 times, and take the 2 to the other side. It will be 2 minus 2 equals b. That is 0 equals b. Now we found the b value. Now again use the same slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And here keep the m and y and x values as variable. Only substitute the slope and the b value. X plus 0. That is y equals half x. So if you draw an equation, if you draw a graph of this particular equation, you will get the slope half, because the slope is mentioned, half x, and this particular line equation will pass through these points. This would be the final answer, the equation. You don't need to do this part, but in writing it's not there because it's question number 11, but you need to directly find it. You can do it directly in the calculator and just find the equation. This would be the answer. It's half x. Let's do one more over here. First thing, write the slope intercept form. We are using this formula 2 times. Y equals mx plus b. Again, you can write it. Y equals mx plus b. First time, find the b value. Here, what we do is we find b value only. So it would be, substitute this, x, y, and m. Y value is negative 2 equals, m is 1 by thirds into x value is 3 plus b. And substitute, simplify, it is 1 time, minus 2 equals b. Now here we found the b value, so substitute it over here. That is minus 2. And what about the other things? Y equals m is what? 1/3 x minus b, minus 2. That is the answer. Very, very easy. There is no calculator method for this. Only this can be solved in calculator if you want. But you need to write it in equation. So you can't solve in calculators. So you can see it's minus. Oh, now, my bad. What did I do? I have done a major mistake. I apologize. I will not cut this out from the video because the mistake what I did is, a crucial one. I want you to also learn from this mistake. So minus 2 equals 1/3 into 3 is 1. It's not multiplication, it's 1 plus b. Now take this 1 to the other side, it'll be minus 2 minus 1 equals b. The answer is minus 3 equals b. What I had written, 2 minus 2, is wrong. This is the correct answer. Now you substitute this value here. It's not minus 2, it's minus 3. That is the answer. You can see it's minus 3. That's a silly mistake, but a major mistake because you lose a lot of marks because entire thing goes wrong, right? So please be careful with that. Now another problem. Please do this problem by yourselves and then check for the answers. Here we can just directly do the slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Substitute all these values. Find the b value. That's the step 1. If you're getting difficulties, just use calculator and do it. Otherwise, over here 9 by 2 is negative 4.5. So when you take it over here, it will be positive 4, positive 4.5. This is 8.5. And then you just substitute in the slope intercept form and getting the answer. Second step is very easy. Just substitute m value and b value only. But b value must be found out before, and y and x remains variables. Same thing here, doesn't matter, it's the same values. Same problems, same type, same method, but only values change. Please do these problems by yourselves and then check for the answers. Pause the video now, do this, and then check the answer. They're very simple answers. And the last one, we will quickly do this one. Y equals mx plus b. Substitute. What is x, y, and m? Y is minus 5 equals m is minus 3 by 2 multiplied by x is 1 plus b. Now, when you multiply this, it's going to be the same. Minus 5 equals minus 3 by 2. I will write 3 by 2 as 1.5 because it's 1.5 plus b. Let me take 1.4 to the other side. Minus 5 plus 1.5 equals b. The answer over here would be minus 3.5 equals b. I hope this is clear. Next part, same thing. Y equals mx plus b. All you do is substitute only m value, that is negative 3 by 2, x plus what is b? It is negative, so I'll write minus 3.5. Now what if this option is not there? If you put in calculator 3.5, you will get 7 by 2, which is y equals negative 3 by 2 x minus 7 by 2. This will be the final answer. So it's negative 7 by 2 or negative 3.5. So this would be the answer, negative 3 by 2x minus 7 by 2. Please do remember the formula, slope-intercept form. Remember the substitution, how you exactly do it. First find b and then write the slope-intercept form. Just substitute m and the b value. Y and x remains variable. Please do practice more problems and be thorough with this topic.